In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a typical chord chart into a numbered chart. So here we go. The first thing you need to do in order to do this is to write out the musical alphabet. And if you don't know what that is, go to the lesson on the musical alphabet and it'll show you what that's all about. But I'm going to write it out here. Musical alphabet consists of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then there are 5 notes in between these right here. We're going to call it A sharp, or you can call it B flat. They're the same note, they just have 2 different names. C sharp, D flat, D sharp, E flat, F sharp, G flat, G sharp, A flat. There's the 12 notes. Okay, then what you're going to do is you are going to find out what key the song is in. The key is very important. Now on all of our charts, let me give you an example of one. Okay, so this is a song, Here I Go is the title. Here I Go. And it happens to be in the key of D. Now, all of our chord charts give you the key that it's in. However, certain charts from other places, it might not, but it's important that you know what the key is. So when you find the key, what you do is go back to the musical alphabet, and I'll use a different color here, and you just circle it and make that number 1. So whatever the key is number 1. And then from there, you are going to use what I call the telephone number for the major scale. And if you forgot what that is, it's this. It's root, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Okay? So whole step is 2 notes. A half step is 1 note. Whole equals 2 steps. Half equals 1 step. And all you do is follow it along from here. So root is the circle. That's number 1. From there you go whole, which means it's 2 steps. 1, 2. So this is number 2. Then another whole. Whole is 2 steps. 1, 2. This is number 3. Then from there is half, which is 1 step. Half a step is 1 step. G is number 4. Then from here, half is a whole step. So that would be 2 steps away, 1, and it continues over to here. So that is number 5. You're just counting 1 through 7. From here to here is a whole step, 2 steps, 1, 2. So B is 6. And another whole step. From B would be 1, 2. So C sharp or D flat is number 7. And from whole to half basically returns you to number 1. That's how you get the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember, in the lesson on the chord progression theory, we know that number 2, number 3, and number 6 are minor. Number 1, number 4, and number 5 are major. So we're going to take this song here, Here I Go, and we'll dissect this and we'll convert it into numbers. So D here is number 1. Use a different color. So this chord is number 1. E minor 2, and that's right, E needs to be a minor, so that's 2. G is a number 4. A is number 5. D, number 1. E minor, number 2. G, number 4. A, number 5. B minor, let's see, B, you remember 6s are minors, so that's right. That's a 6. F sharp minor, where's F sharp? Right here. And you remember 3s are minors as well, so F sharp minor, sure enough, that's a 3. G, 4. Now here's a slash chord, D slash F sharp. D is a 1, slash F sharp is a 3. E minor, 2. A is a 5. So there it is, song Here I Go, converted from your typical chord chart with chord names on it to the number system. Now, once you have it in number system, you can play it in any key, and so you're ready to go.